Here's a nice looking 69 Pontiac Firebird Coupe in carousel red, otherwise lots of times known as orange, hugger orange. Yeah, when you hear carousel red in the Pontiac world, a little more of an orange than it is red. Car has had a repaint. As you can see, black vinyl top with it, black vinyl interior. It is an original 400 V8 car. There is PHS documents that go with it. Does not have the original numbers matching motor, not representing it as numbers matching. Does have a 400 underneath the hood though. Also power steering, power brakes under there. Would have been an original AC car. Not all the AC components are on it now. So if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, see what I'm talking about, check out the undersides, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course you can call us too if you got any questions on this one. 507-386-1726. Paint on the car is in nice shape. See the chrome around the front grille surround, headlight surrounds, also in nice shape. Now a few things that were done to this, provided by the previous owner. It does have a new starter on it, new engine harness, new thermostat and water pump, new ignition switch. He replaced the steering rag joint, new fan clutch and fan. Tranny gasket was recently replaced, as well as the battery and alternator. So some nice upkeep done to this car. Tires do not appear to be very old either. As you can see, it's riding on Goodyear Eagles and Pontiac Motor Division style rally wheels. Nice look on this car. See up and down the side of it, nice and straight. This was originally a California car, built in Van Nuys and spent a lot of its life in California. A little more about that engine. It does have a Ram Air 3 exhaust manifolds on it, 2 of them. It also has 2.5-inch exhaust with Flowmasters. There's your bucket seats. It is a turbo 400 automatic transmission that is paired with that 400 V8 underneath the hood. Black vinyl, also in nice shape. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation of the vehicle. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper, also nice. Paint all the way around the car. Very showable. Wouldn't be afraid to take this to any of your local cruise-ins, local shows. Yeah, you're going to find a few little spots where maybe a little touch-up paint was used. But overall, very, very nice. Not full of orange peel. Not showing its age at all. Also in very nice shape. This will be in the trunk also. Component for the AC. Make you aware of that. We'll put that in the trunk. The trunk is also finished off very nice, as well as the engine bay underneath this car. Check out the still pictures. You can blow up the pictures, look at them, take your time looking through each portion of the car. uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, click on the link down below this video in the description. Like I said, there is PHS documents that will be included, bunch of receipts also in a folder in the car that will go along with the car. If you got any questions about that, consult with your sales associate also. There's the folder. I'm going to leave it right in the back seat. Headliner in this car also good. Alright, let's go ahead. I want to fire this up so you can hear it run. Great sounding car. Always has fired right up when I moved it around in our showroom. Door panel's nice shape. Look at the pictures. I have pictures underside the doors. You'll see what I'm saying. Also very, very nice shape. Interior free of rips, tears in the seat. Vinyl's all in good shape. Also, take a look at the headliner. No holes in the headliner, anything like that. Sorry about the glare when I tip it up towards the lights. I get a little glare on the camera. All right. And that's all it takes to start it. Gas gauge works. A few aftermarket gauges been added tastefully. Tachometer there. Water temp, oil pressure, and volts. Dash and everything in good shape. Wipers do work. Had those going a little bit ago. Whoops. I'm going all the way back down. There we go. Flowmaster distinct sound to it. Nice muscle car rumble. Like I said, good sounding car. Doesn't smoke. Alright, let's come up to the front of this. I want to pause this video a second. I'm going to pop this hood. I want you to be able to see the engine bay and check out how nice and tidy it is underneath there. We got some chrome. We got a good look at engine bay here, so hold on. Alright, take a look at this. Again, power steering, power brakes. New fan clutch. And I believe it also has a pusher on the front side with FYI. Electric fan was wired in. And again, engine wiring harness, all new. Look at that. Chrome valve covers. Pontiac blue engine. Color-wise, it's correct. Look at how smooth that runs. Looking for a 69 Pontiac Firebird? Here you go. 400 V8 underneath the hood. Paired up with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, power steering, power brake car. Has had a repaint and it's looking sharp. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.